Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we will be talking about how to reverse a linked list. So let's get started. Here I have a list in which 9 nodes are present and there is a head pointer which is pointing to the first node of the list. So what I will do here is I will create 3 pointers. The first one is previous pointer, which is at the first node or the node which the head pointer points, and then the current pointer which is at the second node, and then next pointer which is at third node, like this. The previous one is at first node, then current pointer is at second node, then next pointer is at third node. And as we can see, the pointer of the last node is equal to null. So after we reverse the list, this will become the last node. So the pointer of this node should be equal to null, which means this pointer should be null. And how can we access this pointer? We can access this by head arrow next. Let's say in the structure I am using next as a variable, so I can use head arrow next equals to null to make this pointer equals to null. So after I execute this statement, this pointer will look like this, and here we don't have a link between 1 and 2. So to reverse the list, I have to remove this particular link from here and make it from 2 to 1. So to reverse the list, I have to remove this particular link and make this link from 2 to 1. And how can I do that? I can use this statement current arrow next equals to previous, which means current arrow next points to this particular link, and I am creating this link as previous node. So this link will become like this, and we don't have a link between 2 and 3. And then I simply iterate all the 3 pointers to the next nodes of them, like this. Now our current pointer is at third node and the previous pointer is at second node, which is our earlier current position, and here is our next pointer. And I will simply do the same thing, current arrow next equals to pointer, which will remove this link and create it from 3 to 2, like this, and simply reiterate the pointers to the next nodes. Then this iterate. And at this particular point of time where we have reached the next pointer equals to null, so we can see that our current pointer is at the last node. So what I will do here is I will remove this link and create it from 9 to 8, like this. And as you can see, the list is reversed. All the links are in the reverse direction. Only thing we have to do here is, initially our head pointer is pointing towards the first node of the list, which is 1 here. So I have to make the head pointer equals to this current pointer. So as our head pointer becomes equals to current pointer, our list gets reversed. So let's do the code for this. So here we are at our VS Code. What I have done here is I have created a small code for creating and printing the list. So I have a struct node here in which we have an integer data, and then the pointer to the next node, which I am initializing as next, and I have type def it to SLL, which represents singly linked list. And here I have an insert function in which I am inserting a node in the list, and here I have a simple print list function which is simply printing the list. And here I have initialized a head pointer to null, then just inserting the values like 1 to 10. and here printing the original list. So we have to reverse the list. So we can create a function void, let's say, reverse list, and in this function we just need a head pointer. So let's say head pointer we have taken as argument. So as we have seen, we have to create three pointers. The first one is previous, which will be equal to head. Then we have a current pointer, which will be equals to next node of previous, that is head arrow next, or we can write it as previous arrow next. Both are same things. And another one is next pointer. So let's this write it also. So this will also be equals to current arrow next. This and this both are same things. And after we have initialized three pointers, previous, current, next, what we have to do, we have to create the pointer head arrow next to null. So head arrow next equals to null. What I have done here is removing the link between first and second node and making it to null. After that, we have to iterate through all the nodes, like, and what is the condition we have seen? We will iterate until when next pointer becomes equals to null. So I will write while next node equals to null, I have to implement this statement. And what is the statement? We have to use current arrow next equals to previous. That is what I have done is I have removed the pointer pointing to the next node and make it to pointing towards the previous node. And after that we have to iterate all the pointers as we have seen earlier. All the pointers will be at the next node of their earlier positions. So we have three pointers, previous, current, next, which we have to iterate. But we cannot iterate, like we cannot write previous equals to previous arrow next. We cannot write it like this, because here previous, in the first iteration, the previous is a head pointer, and from this statement we have created head arrow next equals to null, that is the previous arrow next pointer will also become null. So we cannot do it like this. This is wrong method. So how can we do that? As we have seen, the current is at next position as compared to previous pointer. So we can just make previous pointer equals to current pointer equals to next pointer, and there is nothing to do with next pointer. So we can simply iterate next pointer as next equals to next arrow next. So I have reversed the link here. Let me write in comments, reversed the link between current and next node. And here I have iterated all the pointers. iterating the pointers, or we can, or like I have incremented the pointers here for the next iteration. After we exited this while loop, we have a next pointer which is pointing to the null, or the next pointer will become equals to null, and we have a current pointer which is at the last node, but we haven't reversed the link of the last node and make it to last second node. So how can we do current arrow next equals to previous? Just we have to use this statement one more time here. And why we have to use this? To make the link between last node and last second node. So why I am writing comment series? Because I have to give the code to you so you can understand this. So I am writing here everything in the comments. So from this particular instruction, I have made the link between last node and the last second node. Here we have reversed our list, but we have to make our head pointer equals to current pointer. And one more thing, I should write this like this, because here I am also returning a head pointer. So if this function will be void, so I cannot return a head pointer here, and I have written SLL star, which means it will return a pointer of SLL type. So I have simply returned head pointer here, which is pointing to the last node of the list. So let's check it. First of all, let's check this program whether this gives our list or not. So this is our original list which we have. So let's check this function also. Let me write here head equals to and here head pointer is the argument and print list head. So this is the original list. Original list, and here I have a reversed list. Reversed list. So this should give us the correct output. Let's check it. And so this is our original list which have values from 1 to 10, and this is our reversed list in which the list is starting from 10 and ending to 1. So we have successfully reversed our singly linked list. So if you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe for more such videos, and thanks for watching.